Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. Join us today as we go to Ocotillo Wells and go play around at Truck Haven. Like, comment, and subscribe. Truck Haven. Located west of the Salton Sea, this area is ran by the State's Park Department and encompasses 12,000 acres. This includes open riding area and off-road training area. This is a great place to learn how your vehicle handles in certain conditions. Now, there are many terrain obstacles in this area, and I suggest you try them all. Everything from your green trails all the way up to your black diamond. Me personally, I do love taking this hill climb right here. It really makes it fun and you get a great view. Now, if you've never been to this area, I highly suggest you check it out. But bear in mind, check it out during the season, from October 1st to May 31st. Any other time of the year can become overwhelmingly hot in this area. Also, this area is prone to high winds, so be prepared for moments of being sandblasted. Now, from time to time, they'll also have special events in Truck Haven. Recently, they held Tierra del Sol, which had many vendors come down and made this area very busy. Also, a big shout out to Robert from the Project Nomad. This is an awesome weekend. We ended up hanging out and just exploring this area. Really, you guys got to check out his channel at the Project Nomad on YouTube and his Instagram account, the Project Nomad. And if you do want to come out and explore this area, give yourself quite a few days. 12,000 acres is a lot of land to explore, and there's still a lot more nearby in surrounding areas, such as Anza Borrego. As you're exploring, keep an eye out for mud caves. These are really cool as you're driving through the canyon. If you want to check them out, just be careful after rainstorms. If you are interested in mud caves, you gotta check out the nearby ones in Anza Borrego and Fish Canyon. It has a much larger mud caves with a very scenic drive as you go through that canyon. Big shout out to Bayou for setting up all of us for this weekend. He really did pick a great location for all of us to come out here and explore. I highly suggest you guys do come check out this area. You see just from this cliff top how expansive this whole area is. And I hope you guys are loving this drone footage as much as I am. I recently acquired a Skydio 2, and I can tell you, it just does not disappoint. The great tracking features this camera has. Full review coming up in a future video, but I definitely recommend you guys check out potentially getting one. The autopilot features on this one is superb. I thoroughly enjoy having this camera film this trip, and that's why you guys are getting an excessive amount of drone footage. Anyways, though, guys, this is Robert with Wonder Off-Road, signing off. Don't forget, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.